Good people, welcome back to Global Happenings. Today we're so excited to have you again. One of Nnamdi Kanu's ardent disciple has spoken up about the criminality of Abakari, and you're going to be seeing the perspective which is coming from. You know that it's no longer news that the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency has indicted Abakari this time around of involvement in drug trafficking and all of that. Already, Abakari has been arrested by the police. We don't know if he has been handed over to the NDLEA for for interrogation. We are yet to arrive at that. But at the same time, a lot of people have spoken up about the issue of criminals down fighting criminality in Nigeria. And, the case of Abakari is one of a kind. No one thought that it would go to this level. We're still battling the issue of his involvement in bribery in Hush Puppy's case, and ABI were asking for him to be brought down to the United States of America. Here we are faced with another much stronger, case where proofs are already everywhere. Video proofs are already there, pointing to the fact that he is a part of a very strong cartel that has been running the show of drugs in Nigeria. Now, we are going to be looking at what this disciple of Nnamdi Kanu has to say about Abakari. And according to the news, a self-acclaimed disciple of Nnamdi Kanu, the 10 leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Simon Ekpa, has claimed that he earlier predicted that DCP Abakari would be disgraced for allegedly killing innocent Igbos. You can recall that the former commander of the Inspector General of Police Intelligence Response Team, IGPIRT, who served in the Southeast but was suspended over alleged tie with an internet fraudster, Abbas Raymond, popularly known as Hush Puppy, was arrested by the Nigerian police on Monday. His arrest was sequel to fresh allegation against him on drug trafficking as the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) declared him wanted for allegedly working with two international drug couriers identified as Chibona Patrick Omebe and Emeka Alphonsus. He was subsequently arrested by the police and handed over to the NDLEA as more investigation continues. Reacting, Ekpa in a tweet on his official Twitter handle on Monday described the embattled cop as a criminal who, according to him, has killed innocent Biafrans. According to his tweet, he said, "I call Abakari criminal even before the indictment in the US. I told him that for killing Biafrans, he will be disgraced and his career will end in Biafra land. Today, is he not known globally as a criminal? The big question is what happened to all the innocent Biafrans that he had killed. This has triggered a lot of reactions. Please forgive me. He has already been handed over to NDLEA, so the investigation is ongoing. But a lot of people are talking right now, especially on the issue of his possible extradition to the United States of America to also face the case there that is staring at his face. I mean, this is one way God really wants to sanitize Nigeria. There are people who are in this country doing all manner of things, to worsen the state of this country. And shockingly, you will see them and you feel that they are doing the right thing. And where you feel that they are doing the right thing is the way they will hunt after common criminals, not knowing that they are the chief criminals. I mean, the issue has, I believe that this issue that has happened will awaken the consciousness of those who are in lofty positions doing all manner of terrible things in this country. But first of all, I'll just like to look at what Simon Ekpa, what the reactions of people to the statement made by Simon Ekpa. We're going to be looking at that first. After that, we will also consider, other reactions and also speak on this particular issue. And the first person here says, whether you said it or not, we already know that this guy was a criminal, that he was just with time. Every of his secret will be open to all and sundry. Another person here said, this is tip of the iceberg. He will hear we by the time he is being taken outside the shores of Nigeria. Another person here says, we all know about this, so no one can really take glory for it. Another person here says, Abakari will leave Southeast in shame and disgrace. Nnamdi Kanu was the main person who made this statement. Somebody was saying to Simon Ekpa, say, get out, Mr. Man. Now only MKO we know, MNK we know. You are now trying to cash out where you didn't work. Ekberima. Yeah, if you go to, I think, on Twitter page of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he was the one that made that statement, that Abakari will be disgraced. And shockingly, it has happened as he had predicted. Another person said that his cup has finally full. That is why all of this is happening. Another person here say, Simon Ekpa, as the cup of Abakari has full, so shall your cup be full one day. Say you call yourself autopilot leader, we will see. Another person here say, for the sake of setting straight the record, you are not the one that gave that prophecy. It was MNK, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So don't take glory that doesn't belong to you. Ha. People are lambasting the guy instead of another person say it's like you started listening to Simon Ekpa after our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taken out or was kidnapped by Nigerian government. So many people are talking right away. Another person here says, Simon Ekpa, stop trying to carry yourself as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are a man of falsehood. We do not listen to you. Another person here says, Simon Ekpa, whether you like it or yes, we had already known this truth via the mouth of our only prophet, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's better you quote it that it was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that said it than for you to begin to lay claim. Now one saying that, wow, for this autopilot leader. Was it not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that said this? Another person say, are you now telling us that you are our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who told him that he will leave Biafran land with disgrace? Why can't you give the credit to our able leader, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Hamadike? One, he is the only prophet whom we are watching at, and all his prophecies, day after day, will come to pass. Wow, so many people are talking there. But, well, the bottom line is that the young man by name Abakari is already in the custody of DSS, and there's nothing he can do right now because already his cup is full. I'd like to leave it there. What do you have to say about the prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu concerning, the disgrace of Abakari which has surfaced right now? Let's interact.